Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of trying every trendy diet or spending hours at the gym without seeing real results, today's video is just for you. We're diving into 10 quick weight loss tips that actually work fast. No gimmicks, no starvation, just practical, science-backed tips that you can start using today to shed those extra pounds quickly and safely. So grab a notebook or hit that save button, because we're about to change your weight loss game. Tip 1. Start your day with protein. Let's kick it off with one of the simplest yet most powerful tips. Start your day with protein. Why? Because protein keeps you full longer, reduces cravings, and boosts your metabolism. Studies show that people who eat a high-protein breakfast consume fewer calories throughout the day. Try options like Greek yogurt, scrambled eggs, tofu scramble, or a protein smoothie. Not only does protein prevent you from snacking unnecessarily, but it also supports lean muscle, helping you burn more fat even when you're resting. Pro tip: aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein in your breakfast. Tip 2. Drink water before every meal. This one is ridiculously simple. Drink a glass of water 20 to 30 minutes before every meal. Water acts as a natural appetite suppressant and can help you avoid overeating. It also boosts your metabolism temporarily and helps your body process food more efficiently. Hydration is key, and sometimes when you feel hungry, you're actually just dehydrated. Try this. Drink 16 ounces of water before each meal for a week and watch how your portion sizes naturally decrease. Tip 3. Move your body in micro workouts. Don't have time for the gym? No problem. Micro workouts, short, high-intensity movements you can do in 5 to 10 minutes, can torch calories fast. Do jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, or stair sprints. Height-style bursts throughout your day can significantly raise your heart rate and metabolism. Set a timer to do a 7-minute bodyweight circuit every morning and evening. Over time, this adds up and burns fat like crazy. Bonus: these short workouts improve your mood and energy levels too. Tip 4. Eat slower and mindfully. We live in a fast-paced world, and that includes how we eat. But slowing down during meals can drastically reduce how much you eat. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to register that your stomach is full. Eating slowly allows this process to kick in, helping you avoid overeating. Try chewing each bite thoroughly and putting down your fork between bites. You'll feel more satisfied with less food. Mindful eating is one of the most underrated tools for fast weight loss. Tip 5. Cut out liquid calories. Do you drink soda, energy drinks, or even fruit juices regularly? These are full of liquid calories that add up fast and don't satisfy hunger. 1 can of soda equals around 150 calories. Do that daily, and you're looking at over a pound of fat gain each month. Switch to water, sparkling water, black coffee, or herbal teas. You'll be shocked how fast the weight drops when you stop drinking your calories. Also, watch out for smoothies. Some are loaded with sugar. Always read the label. Bonus tips. If you're feeling stuck and nothing seems to be working, don't lose hope. Sometimes your body just needs the right support to ignite change. That's exactly why I want to share something that's been a total game changer for many. It's called Midolin, a powerful science-backed formula designed to support real fat burning and energy. It's not magic, but for many, it's the missing piece. You can check it out through the link in the description below and take that next step toward a healthier, more confident you. Now tip 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep might seem unrelated to weight loss, but poor sleep messes with your hormones, especially ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and fullness. When you're sleep deprived, you tend to crave high-carb, sugary foods, and you're less likely to exercise or make healthy choices. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Make your bedroom a peaceful, screen-free zone and stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Sleep is your body's natural reset button for metabolism and fat burning. Tip 7. Eat more fiber. If you want to feel full without overloading on calories, fiber is your best friend. Fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, lentils, chia seeds, fruits, and vegetables expand in your stomach, slow down digestion, and stabilize blood sugar. This means fewer cravings, longer-lasting energy, and less snacking. Start your day with oatmeal and berries. For lunch or dinner, add leafy greens, legumes, or sweet potatoes. Gradually increase fiber to avoid bloating. Bonus: fiber is great for your gut health, which affects fat storage too. Tip 8. Avoid eating after 8 p.m. Super tip 8. Avoid eating after 8 p.m. Late night snacking is a silent weight gain culprit. Your body's metabolism slows down at night, making it easier to store those calories as fat. Set a rule. No food after 8 p.m. or 3 hours before bedtime. If you're truly hungry, sip herbal tea or have a light protein snack. This simple habit helps regulate insulin levels and gives your digestive system a rest, both of which support fat loss. It also helps you sleep better, especially if you're avoiding sugar or carbs late at night. Tip 9. Use the 80-20 rule. Extreme dieting often leads to failure. That's where the 80-20 rule comes in. This reduces the feeling of deprivation, making it easier to stick to your plan long term. Enjoy a slice of pizza or dessert occasionally. Just don't let it derail your entire day. The goal is consistency, not perfection. When you enjoy food guilt-free in moderation, you stay motivated and still lose weight fast. Tip 10. Track your progress daily. If you want fast results, you need to measure what matters. Track your food, weight, water intake, and workouts daily. This builds self-awareness and helps you spot patterns. You'll know what works and what doesn't. Use apps like MyFitnessPal, a digital scale, or even a simple journal. Also, take progress photos weekly. They're more motivating than the scale alone. And don't forget, celebrate small wins. Every pound lost, every healthy meal, every workout completed is a step toward your goal. Many people have seen amazing results just by adding middle into their diet. They've lost inches, boosted metabolism, and burned fat faster. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments, which of these tips are you trying first? And hey, remember, weight loss isn't just about the number on the scale, it's about feeling better, moving better, and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.